Yeah, looks like we got a lot of draws here. I don't know if this looks very good either. We had a puddle. Shouldn't have this much dross. Alright, well. Let's see what we can get out of it. Alright, let's go. Tell you what, let's scrape this crucible out while we can. I know we got one good biscuit and a part of another. Just back on here where it'll cool slowly. Now we'll do another pour tomorrow with a cold start. Meanwhile, let's dump what we have here. It's probably set up by now. Yes. All right. £3.5 pounds. This is what we have. And also this bit of slag down here on the ground.
You're pretty.
Let's see what that looks like. Okay. Not a total success, but not a total failure. We'll get back with it tomorrow with our 15th pour. That'll make our 4th pour for the copper. We're signing off here for the day. Thank you for watching. Be back with you tomorrow.